Hey there everyone, how y'all doing? As you can see by the box, it's like Christmas. We've got a Seiko Astron here. Let's take a look. And of course the black Seiko Astron box. Now this one's a treat for you guys. It's a treat for me. I love opening Seiko Astrons because they're kind of like unicorns in the world of Seiko. We do so many dive watches and so many dress watches with Presage and stuff. It's nice to get an Astron in. Now this one is a hard Astron to get, and I finally got this one in, so I'm real pumped up about it. So let's take a look here, and you got the foam pieces. Huh. Never noticed there's no logo on the top of that before, but I guess they don't. And then here you got the little pouch where our Astron is waiting for us. Let's take a little look. Man, they got it in there tight today. Nope, see it peeking through there. Now this one here is one of a limited edition Astron. And this is one of the watches that was chosen for Astron to be one of the 140th anniversary watches. Across the board, you've got Seiko 5, Presage, and Prospects. They all have their special limited edition watch, and they all have that blue and white theme. That's the main theme for the 140th anniversary of Seiko. And you think about it, 140 years is quite a long time. And this watch is amazing. Astron is one of those watches that, you don't hear about them that much and everything, but they're an amazing timepiece. They use a satellites to get the receiver, which they've got in the bezel there, and it tells you the time. Astron, of course, is named after Seiko's first quartz watch, just showing Seiko, moving forward and taking timepieces to the next level. So this is the blue and white theme you got here, and it's just a handsome looking watch overall. Definitely. You got the blue ceramic there, the white dial. The crystal, of course, is a sapphire crystal. Let's take a look at the tag here, buried in here. And here we go. This is the SSH093, and it retails for $2,200. Now, if you look at it here, this is the same movement, the caliber 5x53, and the Astrons have been doing that chronograph style. It's just a different colorway, basically. And let's take a look. You got the push button release clasp, and here's the back of the dial for those of you who love, the back of the watch case. I always get questions here and there. Oh, what does the back of the case look like? There you go. Man, it's a nice size. Really good looking watch. I don't know if I get a chance to get a hold of one of these because they kind of went super fast. And lucky enough that Seiko had one aside for me there. So Seiko started back in 1881 by Kentaro Hattori, and he was only 21 at the time. He helmed Seiko for 50 years, and it became a global brand. So that's pretty cool. I don't think I was doing anything that important at 21, and here this guy is, you know, forming a company, and now 140 years later, we have Seiko celebrating the 140th anniversary. This is the Seiko Astron, and this Astron is designed with the curved lugs and everything that the original Astron was. Now Astrons, they use the satellites like I said before, but they also are solar powered, so it's GPS and a solar powered watch. So this is, Astron is kind of where Seiko is diving into the future, trying to figure out what else timepieces can be and do. And here you have the Astron. It is really a phenomenal watch, and if you guys haven't had a chance to see them, like I said, you can't find them everywhere. They're really a harder watch to find, and they're coming out with a new series, you know, without the chronograph and stuff, so it'll be interesting to see how those come out, and that'll be out, I believe, later this year sometime. So let's take a look at this on my wrist. And here you go, here it is on my wrist. Now the watch, the diameter is about 43 millimeters across, and then from top to bottom here, you've got it, it's about 49 millimeters. But look at how this fits. I mean, just that curve, the way it goes against my wrist there. I mean, it is just awesome. You know, if you get a chance, put one of these guys on and you'll see it's one of the most comfortable watches. You know, you look at it, it looks a little big, but then once it gets on the wrist, I mean, like a glove, like the glove I got on, you know, fits nice. And my wrist is about a 7.5 inch wrist. And then, like I said, across it's about 43 millimeters. And then, you know, you got that special hard coating and polishing on there. Here we got some of the plastic still on the band and stuff. But you can see the reflections on there. I mean, this thing's nice. Well, let's go take this guy in the dark and see how it looks all loomed up. Okay, here we got it in the dark. As most Seiko watches, beautiful loom on it. You can see it's got almost like an Art Deco vibe, Art Deco feel, with the little dots and the angular hands on it. But man, that's bright. I mean, think about it. It's not a dive watch, but fantastic loom. Definitely. I'd like to thank you all for taking the time to watch the video. I really appreciate it. Please like and subscribe. Tell your friends if you like it. We cover lots of Seiko watches and Oris. If you get a chance, check out our website, depalas.com. Thank you. Have a good one, y'all. Bye.